since 1947. And in fact, there's still rumors of several local
Person special has everything for planes and friends. Thank you, Aircraft Experience Oshkosh for these. EAA thanks all of our attendees for your help and reminds you to be alert for unintended packages or bags, be wary of suspicious behavior, and take notice of people clothing or inappropriate clothing. If you see something, say something. Alert law enforcement by call.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the takeoff roll right now, we are very honored to take one final look at Southwest's newest specialty livery. It's Independence 1.
Picture the schedule.
Takes off and departs for home. Stick around because they're going to be coming back around for a flyby. Yesterday, their venture is Chapman of Southwest military and veteran employees. Combined service represents
Entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience. In closing, I leave you with this final thought. In the future,
Wing is Bill Stein. He is known as the coach's coach. Bill Stein is the recipient of the Airshow Award. He has been inducted into the Airshow Hall of Fame, and the highest award that our industry can bestow on anybody, he is the recipient of the Sword of Excellence. You are looking at two of the most accomplished, two of the most loved, and two most appreciated individuals. Now, Bill, by the way, Plain said it's spelled C-E-N-T-S as in money. Year after year, Chris Rudd taking care of the aircraft and great air show champions like two cool dudes, like Johnny Wagstaff, like David Wood,
Washington, former Army Airventure Oshkosh, third Technical flipping backwards right in front of our airbox. Give them away.
2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this program alive. Our nation celebrates its 250th year, we're proud to represent the innovation, strength, and spirit that have defined America since the beginning. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Adrian Stein, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, thank you for your patriotism, and thank you for your support. Raptor down.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time for the F-22 Raptor demo team for today. But just because the sun may be going down doesn't mean that things are done here at Airventure. Brittany, you were in a briefing not too long ago talking about the Twilight Flight Fest. What's coming up down in the ultralight areas? By the way, the Yummy Days 50/50 raffle, $2,567 today. The winning ticket was a ticket, the best, as Wayne would say. My name is Steve Buss, and on behalf of Airshow announcer Brittany, the real